Docker is a powerful tool for building, sharing, and running software applications. It has become increasingly popular in recent years. Docker makes it easier for developers to create and deploy applications in a consistent and reliable manner. Think of Docker as a virtual container ship for your software. Docker works by creating lightweight, isolated environments called containers. These containers package up everything an application needs to run, including the code, libraries, and dependencies. Imagine you have a recipe for a cake. The recipe, ingredients, and tools are all you need to bake the cake, regardless of the kitchen you're in. Similarly, a Docker container holds everything your application needs to run, regardless of the server environment. This isolation ensures that applications run consistently across different environments, whether it's a developer's laptop, a testing server, or a production environment. This is because the container provides a consistent and self-contained environment for the application to run in, regardless of the underlying operating system or infrastructure. Docker offers numerous advantages for developers and system administrators. Firstly, Docker containers are highly portable. Since they contain all the necessary dependencies, they can run seamlessly on any machine that has Docker installed. This eliminates compatibility issues. This portability makes it incredibly easy to move applications between different environments. Secondly, Docker promotes efficient resource utilization. Unlike virtual machines, which require a full operating system, Docker containers share the host operating system's kernel. This lightweight nature translates to faster startup times and reduced resource consumption. This makes Docker ideal for deploying and scaling applications in cloud environments. Let's consider a simple example. Suppose you're developing a web application using Python and Flask framework. Traditionally, setting up the development environment would involve installing Python, Flask, and other dependencies on your machine. With Docker, you can create a Docker file, a simple text file that contains instructions for building a Docker image. This image will contain all the necessary components for your web application to run. Once you have the Docker image, you can share it with your team members. They can then use Docker to run the application on their own machines without worrying about compatibility issues. This simplifies the development process and ensures that everyone is working with the same environment. Docker is an incredibly versatile tool with a wide range of use cases. Its simplicity, portability, and efficiency have made it an indispensable part of modern software development and deployment workflows. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, I encourage you to explore the world of Docker and discover how it can simplify your work.